Naglaan mo. Kalsa na umangat.
Ano katik ka na wala na saba.
Yay! Good morning! We just woke up.
Yes, and there's a couple guys just surrounding our fish nets.
Ito ka English mo dali mong magtulo.
I don't know.
So today is the first day, guys, of assemble the fishing net there, right there. So we have our workers, and it's 7 a.m. and I just woke up, and they are already started there.
Wa mo sawa di ay.
Sleeping.
Ano tulog pa? Nako sa ligo pa. Tulog pa sa ligo, sa ligo.
It's just 7 a.m. so he's still sleeping.
Yeah, and by the way, I first woke up today.
Yeah, you always does. So anyway, we magtagalog na nga lang ako.
Ay, kadugo.
So ito yung pinunta namin sa Rojas City. Bumili kami ng lambat, lahat ng parts ng fishing net for fishing the aloy.
Yeah.
Sa English, bullet tuna. Ayun. Because it's the season of the aloy now. So tell them what they are doing.
So see those ropes? They are like just putting the float inside the rope. And see the sticks they're trying to do? That's why it's not really getting fish. So that means they just need to get a little more space.
So this is the tingga. They call that sinkers. Round tingga.
Oh, these are
Ano mong ginaobra ko?
Mura nga lambat,
Ran, ano mong ginaobra dyan?
timga,
Ginaiwan mo.
ginalugit.
So mom,
So they're cleaning the...
hold this.
Dalon mo sa magbansa tayo para masay dalan ng mayadlog ang plastic. Mo try mo tayo.
Mom,
English
are
lang
they
yan, ay
really
pusoy bay.
heavy?
Yes, it is.
That's
So they are cleaning the hole of the sinkers. So it's easy to put it on the tamsi. What is
Nylon.
tamsi? Oh, nylon. Nylon. Ayan o.
May nangalan.
Nylon pala yan. Tamsi. Ayan.
Mobile.
Yan. So here they're doing is they're putting the floaters in the rope. That's what Glenn said. Right there. And this is like 2,000 pieces. 2,000 pieces.
20 kilos niya. Timga, 20 kilos.
Yeah. So the sinkers, that is how many? 20 kilos. Yan.
The nylon is 5 kilos.
Oh, so this is the nylon. We got 5 kilos of this. I think one roll is 1 kilo.
Oh.
Ito. Di ba ito? 1 kilo to.
1 kilo lang.
One roll. So this is the net.
Dari, ano ko pa? Evilon cord. 14 rolls. 14 ba yan?
This is the net.
yeah.
And the size of the mata-mata. This one, the size of this, 6.5. Yan. Show it, Glenn. But don't straight it out.
So, well, it's not a rope. It's a net. You see these?
Yeah, it's a net.
You see these diamonds? That's for catching fishes when they go up the float. Right there.
Yeah. So ano pa gani, Carl? Kala ano pa ganito?
Ang
Isa nga to.
Din ang ibilon cord na.
Di ng cord.
Nanaw ibilon na ilon na. Ibilon cord.
Ah, the lubid. The lubid is the ibilon cord. Pila gani kilo?
Di ba kon 14 rolls lang.
Oh, 14 rolls. I didn't know.
Nanaw na pukuan.
Oh, ayun. Ginapungkuan niya. He's sitting on it. That's the lubid we called.
Molong dan.
Yan. So later guys, when they start doing it, I'll show you guys. Okay, stay tuned.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, and as you know, we bought a fishing boat and a typhoon's coming, so we've got to have everybody bring it onto the beach. First step is clearing, so come over here. You can see behind me we've got all our family and friends clearing a spot for the boat, and then the job is going to be to carry the boat over low tide. There it is, that blue and white one. Carry
Green.
it all the way up here into this space we're making. And we're making the net at home, so we're going to have to also look for a place to spread the net while we're here. So that's what we got going. That's the responsibility of boat ownership.
Yes.
When a typhoon comes, you got to pull it up on the beach.
But it's okay. When you have a family, it's easy.
Yes.
The responsibility is easy.
So we'll see when this boat gets carried. I'm not going to take it.
Yes, you can.
But when those guys carry it, we'll get a picture of it. Okay?
Basiga nyo, buhay ninyo maglimpyo. So now guys, they're going to the boat now. And they're gonna carry it. I mean, push. Maybe. Oh, mulan. Hi, ano pa?
Boleg me. Ang biri-biri bugat.
There's my husband waving. He doesn't want to help. Okay, one. Wow. What a galit ang counting, Rondad. Okay. Taas agawa ilisi oh. Hey, halin dyan. Ang bilis nila.
They tried to ask me, or they were making fun of me because they were all carrying it, and I wasn't. I'm not going to. I'm the boat owner.
Ay, nako.
Wow. Successful boat moving.
Now we are wet.
And it's
It's raining.
raining just in time. I say tie it just in case.
They will.
They will? Good.
So that's all, guys. Bye-bye.
It pays to have 10 guys around. So have 10 guys if you want to move your boat.
Exactly.
Bye.
Bye. See you later. again next time, next vlog.